Dear students, today we are going to start a new topic, that is classification of matter. Let me inform you that classification of matter is different thing and states of matter is different thing. Okay, states of matter means like solid, liquid, gas, plasma, Bose-Einstein condensate. These are the things, and classification of matter is different thing like pure, impure, elements, mixture. These are the things. So let me tell you about the classification of material, means classification of matter in the first. Now dear students, you can see the matters two types. Okay, one is pure substances and other is mixture. So mixture is not pure, it is impure only. Now mixture has two types, that is homogeneous and heterogeneous, and pure substances two types, that is elements and compounds. Okay, yes, I will define each and every topic. Okay, but for this separate chapter is designed, that is chapter number 2 in class 9. There you will study all the definitions regarding this pure substance, mixture, types of mixture, elements, compound. But yes, now I will introduce these things. Okay, so let me help you to understand the classification of matter with heterogeneous part and homogeneous part. See, if you take tea or coffee, okay, so what happens actually when you have your coffee or tea? That time, suppose this is a cup, okay, and you are having your tea. So what happens, whatever the taste you get in very first sip, the same taste you will get at very last sip also, in the middle also, in the left, right, everywhere. From all the corner of this cup, your tea will have same taste. And your tea is the mixture of sugar, milk, water and tea leaves, ginger and so many things. So yes, tea is a mixture, no doubt. That's why matter, of course tea is a matter because it has mass, occupies space, and in matter also it is the combination of so many things. It means it is a mixture. And mixture also what, homogeneous or heterogeneous is a question. So now we will understand what is homogeneous and what is heterogeneous. If the taste is same throughout the cup, it means this type of mixture is homogeneous mixture. Now let me tell you what is heterogeneous mixture, my dear student. Okay, suppose what you are doing, you are just taking 2 spoon sugar in 1 cup water and not shaking it properly. Okay, not shaking it through the spoon properly, just you kept only 2 spoon sugar in the cup, and after that you are not shaking, and after 1 minute what happens actually, little amount of sugar is dissolved automatically in the water, but completely it is not dissolved. Now you start drinking. What will you find is the very first sip is light actually, it is not that much sweet, but the last sip was very sweet actually. Okay, it means more amount of sugar you feel there at the last sip. What happened actually? The reason is the taste is not same throughout the cup. It means you made heterogeneous mixture this time. So if the taste is same throughout the mixture, that is homogeneous. If the taste is different throughout the mixture, that is heterogeneous. My dear student, we are discussing the topic classification of matter, and states of matter is the different thing and classification of matter is the different thing. In this video, we are going to study both the things today. Now of course you know mixture. Mixture means we mix something, but it is not the definition that we mix something, that is mixture. Yes, the correct definition with so many examples, with the depth knowledge, we will see in the next chapter actually, in chapter number 2. Here is just introduction. Okay, let us talk about the pure substance. What is pure substance? Pure substance is like something what I have which is not mixed with other thing, like you have only water. Okay, you have only water, so only water, not mixed with the sugar or salt or anything. Suppose you have pure water, then I am saying. Okay, generally pure water we can't find. Okay, now element and compounds. What is element and compound? You know some type, such type of matter, okay, which is made up of same type of atom, that is element. which is made up of same type of atom, that is element, like gold, copper, so many things. And what is compound? When two or more atom or when two or more elements combine together in fixed ratio, then a new product generates, that is compound. Means, see, no need to remember the definition here. No, it is just a diagram just to show the classification of matter. Okay, dear student, now I will explain you the states of matter. So, there are 4 natural states of matter, means you can easily find it, that is solid. I am talking about the states of matter now. Okay, solid, of course you know, liquid, okay, gas, okay, plasma, Bose-Einstein condensate. What happens actually, this Bose-Einstein condensate is the man-made state of matter, means artificial, means we made it in laboratory. So, it is man-made state of matter, but this 4 is the natural states of matter. Okay, of course you know what is solid, what is liquid, what is gas, plasma. Okay, maybe you don't know about plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. So, what happens actually in, if you talk about the Bose-Einstein condensate, okay, then I will make a separate video about each and every topic, about each and every classification of solid, liquid, gas, plasma, BEC, no problem. But let me introduce all the topics first. So, first thing I told you that first 4 they are natural, and the last one, 5th one, Bose-Einstein condensate, this state is man-made. Second thing, what happens actually, the Bose-Einstein means the solid state. Okay, so in solid state what happens, their constituent particles are tightly close to each other, very close. Okay, but yes, very less amount of free space is there. Liquid, not very tightly closed, but not very far from each other. What are very far from each other? I am talking about the constituent particles in liquid. They are not very far from each other and not very tightly packed also. In gas, what happens? The constituent particles, they are very far from each other, very far. Means what happens actually, suppose I have packed little amount of gas in this box, in this very small box. Okay, in this very small box I kept little amount of gas. So, gas in this small box. Now, what I am doing, I am opening this container. Then gas will take the size of this big room. Yes, gas will take the size of this big room. Dear student, gas size may change. Suppose this is a marker. Okay, so in this room, small room also, this is a marker. Okay, and if you go to very big room, very big hall, that time also with same size marker you will find. Yes or no? But in gaseous state, the condition is different, my dear student. They have so many difference and yes, so many similarities also. So, we will study all solid, liquid, gas, plasma, Bose-Einstein condensate in separate video, and in next video I will introduce what is solid state. But dear student, let me tell you one very important information, that few things are there in the nature which is not matter. Okay, what are the things? Like light. Light is made up of small packet of energy which is known as photon, and photon is not a matter, because photon has not the criteria of the matter, that is why. Okay, like a few things like anger is not a matter, happiness is not a matter, feeling is not a matter. Okay, any kind of wave, radiation is a good word. So, radiation is not a matter. So, I want to tell you in my next slide now the things which are not matter now. Dear student, now you will see few things which are not matter. It does not come under the matter category, like photons. Photons, you know, the light particles. Light is made up of small particles, which is known as photon. Photon carries the energy, okay. So photon is not a matter because it doesn't, means it can't create resistance. It doesn't occupy space like that, okay. Suppose if any bulb is there, just above the chair like this, suppose any bulb, okay, here is any bulb filament and here is a chair, okay, and light is dropping here. So does it mean that you can't sit here because light is here? No, it's not like that. If light is here, you can easily sit. Light is not creating any resistance. I told you the definition of matter, that things which can create resistance have some definite mass and occupies a space, that is matter. So photon is not a matter, my dear student. Let me tell you the next example now. Heat. What is heat? Is a different thing. But how heat is not a matter is a question. Okay. So heat means, suppose your room has temperature, AC temperature 20 degrees C, 20, and you are giving some kind of heat with the heater, room heater. Suppose you are using both at same time. So room heater will increase the temperature and AC will decrease the temperature. With the help of remote, you are decreasing. Just you are playing, you are a kid, you are using both. Okay. So that time what happens? Does it mean that if heat is increasing little bit, then you can't stay there? It's not like that. So because heat is not creating any resistance there, heat is not occupying your space, you can easily sit in your sofa, you can sleep on your bed, no problem, in presence of heat. Okay. So heat is not matter. Now let me tell you third example now. Thoughts. Dear students, you may have good thoughts, you may have beautiful thoughts, okay. When you think, it doesn't mean that, means if thought is in your mind, you are not able to use your mind, or you are not able to sleep, or thought is, means your thought is creating resistance to sleep. It's not like that, okay. Your thought is not occupying any area in your bedroom, your thought is not occupying anything, okay. Means thought has not weight, like my thought has 70 kg weight. It's not like that, okay. So thought is not a matter, my dear student. Happiness is not a matter, angry nature is not a matter, okay. Let me give you one more example now. See, microwaves. Microwave, what happens? You know microwaves, right? Just an equipment. The radiation, not the appliance. I'm not talking about the cooking microwave, it's not like that, no. I'm talking about the microwaves, means radiation microwaves. Ultra means ultra radiation and ultraviolet radiation and micro radiation, like that. So in that way. So microwaves means the radiation, they are not matter, my dear student, and don't get any misconception of the cookware, like cooking appliances like microwaves. It's not like that, okay. So I want to say few things are here which is not matter, and here is some example. Dear student, in this video I explained you the classification of matter, the states of matter, okay, and few things which are not matter. And yes, we have successfully completed this video now. Thank you.